What's going on there, YouTube? Quadfather FPV has returned, and today we're gonna take a little kayaking trip down the Dan River. The Dan River. See that? Those are kayaks. And what's a kayak trip without some Gatorade? So we're gonna go in here to the Hillside Market. Get us some refreshments. So come along and be adorned with the hat cam. Wow. Hell of a market. What you thinking?
I think it's a beer, man. I don't see no beer. Oh, there's beer.
Hey!
It's camouflaged.
It is camouflaged. Oh my God, there's something called Red Hots. That sounds nasty. Holy shit, we even got an electric bug zapper. You got everything you damn need here. Right on. Hell yeah. Gonna do a little fishing, a little kayaking shit. Hunk of pizza. Look at this little guy. It's so awesome. That is literally the perfect motorcycle fishing rod. When you're going deep in the river, it's always good to have a little rod.
We got
What's this?
he's gonna take off down here.
No. I'm just curious if I'm gonna flip over.
Nah.
Brian couldn't hold on to his.
Oh. I can't turn around. No, I'm trying to turn to turn the canoe.
Push forward.
I am.
No, you're pushing backwards.
I was doing it I didn't want to hit him.
Hurry up then. Grace, don't get too far ahead.
Over this way. Not much. I'm fixing to hit rock. Oh damn, I floated right over them bitches.
Yeah, it's a little deeper than you think.
Wouldn't have done that on an inner tube.
There. Woo! Oh shit, that was cold.
Here's the air again, baby.
I lost my beer.
You always lose these ones with
I found it. I'm fucking this goat here. Y'all just hold the ears. I see it. I'm trying to work my way around it. Oh, shit. That put the fear of God in my eyes. That hit me on an angle. Into the river and if I'm straight or not. Oh. Whoo. I'm stuck. Yeah. Woo! Holy shit! 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 Woo! Oh!
Now, as it would turn out, old Quadfather here didn't do any fishing that day. Some would say he went home, rode his motorcycle, no matter how damn dirty, sweaty his ass was. But what didn't happen that day was giving poor Tim his tiny little fishing rod back. That tiny, tiny little fishing rod is lost to the dirty Dan. Really sorry about that, Tim. But thank you, ladies, gentlemen, coming back to old Quadfather's channel and giving him a like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one.
I'm gonna need help on this one.
This is some brutal shit. You alright?
I need to take a break for a second.
We trying.
Hey, there goes the kayak. Shit.
Oh, shit.
CJ. I can't fucking breathe.
I don't care.
You good? You going that way?
Oh,
Whoa!
just go. I'll get it. You get, all right, you get out.
Yeah.
Sure?
I will be.